Hi guys, as you might remember, I recently did a review on Dogepreneur project. It's a meme coin that mixes fun with some serious real estate business. Today, I'm back with some big updates on this project and trust me, you won't want to miss it. But before we start guys, I must say that I'm not a financial advisor. The content in this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. In my last video, I talked about how Dogepreneur blends cryptocurrencies with real assets, creating a unique opportunity for its investors. Alright guys, let's dive into the hottest news. Rumors about Dogepreneur possibly getting listed in major cryptocurrency exchanges. If you haven't seen that video yet guys, make sure to check it out to get the full picture of how it all started. In the crypto world, rumors can be a big deal because they often signal a major price surge. When there is talk about listing on top exchanges, it grabs the attention of not just retail investors, but also big market players. Right now, Dogepreneur is undergoing a thorough review by several major exchanges. Dogepreneur team is working hard on this, and if everything goes according to plan, we could see a significant boost in the token's liquidity. Keep an eye on these DOGEP token movements on BSC scan. They just sent 55 million tokens to Binance hot wallet. They might be cooking up something exciting for us guys. We definitely need to keep a close watch on their address in the coming days. I'll drop that BSC scan link in the description guys. Now let's talk about how the Dogepreneur project has evolved since our last review. The team hasn't just been sitting around, they've been busy developing the concept of real estate tokenization. Over the past few weeks, they've secured some important partnerships that will help speed up and streamline the tokenization process. It's also worth noting that the token pre-sale is almost over. This shows that the project has attracted serious interest from investors and trust in it continues to grow. The entire allocation of tokens set aside for the pre-sale has been almost completely sold out, confirming the high demand for this asset. But the project didn't stop there. Dogepreneur is a multi-chain project, meaning it allows you to use token on different blockchain platforms like Solana and BNB. This adds extra flexibility and attracts even more investors who prefer different ecosystems. For those of you interested in adding DOGEP tokens to your portfolio, let me remind you guys how to do it. To buy tokens, just head over to the official Dogepreneur website and follow the instructions. The buying process is super simple. You can purchase directly through the site's exchange using BNB, BUSD, USDT, or USDC. For those who want to use Solana, there is a clear guide. They say you just need to send Solana to the specified address and the DOGEP tokens will be sent to your wallet when they launch. Now guys, let's talk about participating in the airdrop. It's a great way to maximize your investment and get some extra tokens. Dogepreneur is offering all its investors a chance to participate in the airdrop, and I highly recommend not missing out on this opportunity guys. All you need to do is click the link to the airdrop page and follow the simple instructions. The link will also be in the description. To sum it all up guys, Dogepreneur is continuing to grow and strengthen its position in the market. The unique concept of real estate tokenization, the potential for integration with major exchanges, and a well thought out promotion strategy make this project extremely promising guys. If you are interested in becoming a part of this project and taking advantage of all of this, what they can offer, check out the links I've left in the description guys for more information. What do you think about this project guys? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates. There is a lot of exciting stuff coming up, and I see you in the next video.